Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner to clear fault codes from various control units on a Mazda. Here we have the YOUCANIC adapter, and you need to plug that into the OBD2 port underneath the dashboard. And then the next step would be to turn on the ignition by pressing it twice without pressing the brake pedal, and then all your dash lights are going to turn on. And the next thing is you need to turn on the YOUCANIC scanner and go to diagnostics, then select Mazda from the list of makes. Then you can select Smart VIN or auto detect your model. So in this case we have a 2021 Mazda CX-9, and you can see that there. Press yes. You can enter any of the modules one by one and read codes and clear codes and look at live data or do actuations and things like that. But we're going to show you how to actually read codes from all modules at once, get a report, and then you can save it, email it, and then clear the codes. So here the scanner is going through each control module one by one and then just telling us if there is codes in any of them. You can always press on this arrow here to open the drop down and then see the actual code. And this takes a couple minutes to go through all those systems and then give us a list of current issues. You can see here this one. But it's just recommended to just let the scan complete and then you can look at the codes all at once. So here the scanning is complete. You can open any of these one by one, but you can also click report. What that does, it gives you the control modules, but then at the end it shows you a list of all the codes that are present. Now if the car has not been scanned in a long time, you might have codes that might have been triggered a long time ago. They're just no longer an issue. So what I would recommend doing in this case is you can go back, first save the report. You at least save it on a device. You can also email it or print it, but hit save. It just saves it. You can retrieve it later if you need it, and then hit erase. And what this is going to do is it's going to go through all the control units that have full codes, and if there are any old codes, it's going to just clear them. But you can see the body control module got cleared, that one got cleared, and this one. So it's clearing all of them. But now if there is codes that are still an issue, like if you've got an open circuit to an injector or coil or something of that nature, that's just the car is still detecting it, it's just not going to clear. You can see that did not clear, for example, but most of the codes cleared. And then if you suspect if you have an intermittent issue, this is also helpful because now you don't have 10 or 20 full codes or 30 sometimes. You only have a couple, and then if you drive the car for a day or two, you might just see another code pop up if it just intermittent comes and goes. So you can focus on those codes instead of just being overwhelmed with how many full codes are present. And again, the ones that have issues, you can actually click on them and then you can read the code from that. You can clear it again. You can look at live data for that particular control units that you are diagnosing. So, and then you can even do some active tests to see what's going on and troubleshoot it. Passive anti-theft system transmitter is defective. You can do active test, and even look at live data. But that's it. That's how you can read and clear codes from all the control modules. This scanner is going to read like whatever control unit is on your Mazda is going to be able to read it and clear the codes as long as the issue has been addressed or it's no longer an issue, or it's not present. Then you would be able to read and clear those and look at live data and do active tests and so on. So that's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.